Before I go, I want to say thank you to everybody for coming here tonight. Thank you so much for celebrating with me. 14 years ago, I never really thought that I'd reach this far. And now I'm actually celebrating my 14th year anniversary with all of you. I didn't think na natutupad pala talaga ang mga pangarap mo. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Thank you to Mr. Victor Rosario for being here. Thank you to my family. And thank you so much for making this night special for me. Thank you.
It seems that I'm the only one that I have been thinking of. What kind of mind is this? An empty shell, a lonely cell in which an empty heart must dwell. What kind of clown am I? What do I know of love? Why can't I cast away the mask of clay and live my life? Why can't I fall in love like any other girl? And think that I know what kind of fool I What kind of mind is this? An empty shell, a lonely cell in which an empty heart must dwell.